Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese flavor sweet and sour potato chips. Hope you will like it. First, prepare 2 potatoes and peel them. Cut them into slices. We need to use water to wash away the starch on the potato chips. Make sure the potatoes are dry before we fry them. Now prepare the pot and heat some oil. When the oil is warm enough, put the potato slices into the pot. We need to fry the potatoes for 2 times. For the first time, we will take them out when we see they become soft. Now wait for the oil temperature to rise. Put the potatoes into the pot again. And for this time, we need to fry the potatoes until they become slightly burnt and golden. Take them out from the pot. Now we need to prepare the sauce. Add 2 spoons of ketchup. 2 spoons of white vinegar. Half spoon of sugar. A little bit soy sauce. And a little bit salt. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Pour the sauce into the pan. When the sauce becomes sticky, put the potatoes into the pan. Make sure every piece of them is wrapped with the sauce. Turn off the fire and put them onto a plate. In the end, add some black sesame seeds. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.